Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with the next video again, back in the kitchen again. Today I'm making Jamaican jerk chicken. Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. This is all my ingredients. I have some green sweet pepper, some scallion, some thyme, some pimento, and some garlic, some onion and ginger, and I have some parsley here, and this is all that I'm gonna blend up. And here I have some jerk seasoning. This is mild, and I have some basil, and I have some black pepper, and I have some paprika, and I have some Lawry seasoning, and I have browning. And I'm not gonna add no salt because this Lawry seasoning already have enough salt in there, so I'm not gonna add no salt. So let's blend. I'm gonna put all of my seasoning in my blender, but what I'm doing here is just slice them up a little. My garlic, I'm not slice up the garlic them. My parsley, I'm gonna put my ginger, my sweet pepper, spice up my scallion, and my thyme. Put in my pimento. I'm just gonna add some olive oil just to free up the blender. Okay, yes guys, I'm gonna blend up my seasoning, but I'm gonna pour some olive oil in there as to free up the blender. Okay, guys, I finished blending up my seasoning, and this is how it looks so far. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now is to add my black pepper, and this chicken is about 3 pounds of chicken. Okay, just gonna add my black pepper, gonna add some basil. I love to add natural herb to my anything me I look about, like fish, chicken, anything like that. I love to add my natural herb, but I'm just gonna use my all-purpose seasoning, which is my Lawry seasoning. No salt is added. No salt I'm gonna put in my chicken because the Lawry already have in salt. So this is some paprika. Okay, gonna add some browning. So I was gonna use put on my gloves. I don't put any pepper in there as yet because we don't want the pepper too hot, because we don't want when the family eat it having too much pepper. So I'm gonna put in the pepper yet. Okay, so it's gonna combine up, yeah, powder season them together. Okay, and next I'm gonna add my mix up green seasoning. Just gonna add all of this in my chicken. I'm looking about Jamaican jerk chicken. Okay, just gonna add all of it. Just gonna make sure this the seasoning rub properly in the chicken. Yeah, just take your time and do it. Okay. So I'm just gonna add in my jerk season. Just gonna add some of this. I'm just gonna add 2 of this in there. Gonna combine all of this together. Okay, it smells so good with the ginger. Oh Lord, it smells so good. So that man, just rub up all the seasoning them on your chicken. Okay, So what I'm going to do now is to preheat my oven, because this is the oven baked jerk chicken, okay? Look at this, all natural. Okay? So if you want, you can just put this in my oven, just put it in my little baking tin and just get it over with, okay? Yeah man, so I'm going to preheat the oven now and come back to it now, okay? So I already preheated my oven, and I'm going to let my chicken bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. But first, I'm going to put it, let this bake for jerk for half an hour, and then after I let it jerk for half an hour, what I'm going to do is to turn them over, and then I put it in for a next half an hour. So that is 1 hour, and then I just take it out again after the 1 hour up, and then I'm going to just put some make some sauce and put on it, some jerk sauce and put on it, okay? So just gonna put all of this on it, not gonna waste anything, okay? All of it. I'm gonna let this bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes, but first I'm gonna take it out when it's, look at this, see? Jamaican jerk chicken, oven baked jerk chicken, okay? Guys, this is like 30 minutes after I put it in. So what I'm gonna look at this, I'm loving it. So what I'm gonna do is just turn it over, turn all of them over, okay? Yes guys, before I take out my jerk chicken out of my oven, I'm just gonna make a sauce, okay? I'm just gonna use some ketchup, just 3 ingredients. Some ketchup, depends on how much chicken you are jerking, it does have the ketchup. And I'm just gonna add some honey instead of the sugar. It's about 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and my basil. I love to use basil. So I'm just gonna add some basil to my sauce, okay? And some pepper, because I don't have any pepper to my jerk chicken, so I'm just gonna add some pepper. And I'm just gonna add some pepper green. I'm just gonna combine all of this together. And you just taste it, see if it tastes as how you want it to taste. Great. Perfect. This is how my jerk chicken look after 1 hour. Yep. So what I'm gonna do with my sauce now is to just paint my jerk chicken with the sauce, okay? And this is my Jamaican oven baked jerk chicken, Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. So hope you can try this recipe. So I just put it back in there for just 15 minutes more, okay? Guys, this is how my jerk chicken look after 1 hour and 15 minutes. Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. Guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving the sauce that I make and put on it. So guys, you can just try this recipe and just tell me all about it. Just comment and share and tell me all about this recipe, guys. Please comment and tell me all about this Jamaican jerk chicken, oven baked jerk chicken. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. This is a wonderful, nice, yummy recipe. Okay guys, try it and comment and tell me all about it.